I'm out here at a friend's place called True Log Homes, and I'm gonna be hauling a load off for them, but trading a little work for a small cabin, a little trapper's cabin I'm gonna get put together this summer. It's only gonna be 12 by 14. It's gonna be like that, but cleaner. Anyway, I'll do a little bit of videoing out here, kind of the process, what he's going through. He makes custom log homes and kit homes. If you guys are interested, I'll try getting all the information and stuff. Make some beautiful, beautiful log homes. So let me show you around a little bit. This here is one of the cabins that it's all custom, fully scribed cabins he's building for a customer. And this is, so the little kit I got was an 8 by 10, but we're gonna splice in together, put 4 footers in there. And like I said, it's just gonna be a little kit cabin, which will be fine. It's for a little trapping cabin. Got my last name on those. So this is part of the operation on the outside that takes the sawdust out for where he's turning the logs. Take you inside and show you that here. This here is one of his sawmills. Saying this is the logs for the kits that are turned. It's gonna be real loud, so I ain't gonna be able to talk to you guys, but I'll show you what's going on here. For these custom cabins, you gotta peel the logs. These are all scribed and fit. He builds them on site, then numbers them, takes them down. We'll take them to your property and set them up. I'll go over here and show you the fits on the scribes and everything. So here's the corners of this custom log home. You can see it's been fully scribed. Does beautiful work. When I first met Jesse, it was through trapping, and he was building log homes on another chunk of property. I used to peel logs for him back when my back was still good, and I helped him set a couple of these cabins up. So I'll try to get all of his information, maybe a picture of his card if you guys are interested in a cabin. He does great work. It's out here in Idaho. So anyway, I'll show you a kit cabin on up the road here. These guys are working. It's bigger than what I'm gonna have. I believe these logs are 12 inches. Like I said, the ones I'm gonna build just gonna be 8s. It's just a little trapping cabin up on my property. Hopefully you guys will be interested in it a little bit.
See what True Log Homes here in Grangeville, Idaho.
This is one of his kits. And what is it size on this one?
This one is 24 by 24, so 2 bedroom, 1 bath, and single level.
What would a kit like this run a guy?
This kit for the log package is 18.5, and this kit, the way it sits, dried in, roof, windows, doors, porch, 31.5.
And he's got some of his workers living in here right now. I'm gonna walk through here, show you what we got going on. Cute little cabin, it really is. So he's got a kitchen area, bathroom. Hopefully you guys can see this okay. Of course, these workers still got some tools. Can I poke my head in these bedrooms or no? Oh, there's a bedroom in here. You can tell somebody's been living in here, but you can get the gist of it. Got the floor. So it's like I said, there's some workers living in here, so it's not the cleanest right now, but it does nice work. So come back out here and talk to Jesse, and he can tell you how to get a hold of him if you guys are interested or know anybody that's interested. How do you get a hold of you, Jesse?
You guys go to truelog.com or come up and see us, 21 Fish Hatchery Road, Grangeville, Idaho.
I'm out here picking up my cabin kit. Gonna be a new series I'm gonna do, building this fur shed trapper cabin up on my property. I don't know if you guys will like it or not, but that's what we'll be doing here for a little while. End up being 12 by 14. Well, damn tight fit, but by God, he got it there. Gotta strap it in, and that'll be a cabin. All right, get some straps on it. Well, by God, got a cabin loaded. Getting pretty excited. It's gonna be a lot of work. That one up there behind me is 24 by 24. This one's gonna be 12 by 14. So it's gonna be a lot smaller than that, but same kind of deal. Got it on the trailer. Just check the straps. I'm gonna head to Elk City, up where I'm gonna put it up. I still got a lot of stuff I gotta buy, but getting excited, man. Getting excited. Happy. Hey, you guys want to watch the process? I'm gonna video record it, put it up there, see what you guys think. Trapping cabin, the fur shed.